Welcome to a one-room review. This is the Kingston HyperX Alloy Elite Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. You get the keyboard itself, some literature, an arm pad, extra keys that are textured, and a key puller. The keyboard is quite heavy. If you actually held this in your hand, you'd say the same thing as I do. It's pretty much all metal except for the keys themselves and some trim, and all the function keys are actually exposed on the top of this keyboard. The cord of this keyboard is 6 foot and it has USB pass-through. The layout of the keyboard is pretty standard, 104 key. This actually controls all the lighting up here. This controls the actual lighting mode. This one turns the actual Windows key on and off, and the contextual key right here. And the media keys are pretty much standard. The mute and unmute and the volume control are accessible without going to a function key. You could buy this keyboard in red, blue, and brown switches. I have the red one right here. For an in-depth look at the Alloy FPS, please check out the description below for a link to the full review. Thanks for watching, everybody.